Guys, how are you doing? Welcome back. And in the winter, you have only grow 50-50. Remember, it depends where you are. So I grew this in the egg. This is the third day that I saw this tiny seeds here. This one is the last one, I guess. This one is still coming. So I just wet them every day. Not very wet, just in order for them to activate the seeds. See? Just like that. Not too much though, because they are like us. They will drown and choke and die with too much water in them or water. So make sure that drainage room. But this 3 eggs is pretty good drainage. See, it's soft. So that's it. So I guess this time I introduced the seaweed solution, the natural seaweed solution. Yeah, I'm going to introduce the SEASOL seaweed solution in this. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Actually, again, this is third day. I've been planting this from the seeds. Here, the last one, it will show up and come out. I could put some few here as well. See, that's more coming. I probably end up putting styrofoam again, guys, because why not? Nothing wrong with the styrofoam. It's free and it's clean from the vegetables. In the shop here is the SEASOL. Few of you asking what was that thing for that I put in the distilled container or in the juicer. That was from this, guys. It's a seaweed solution, SEASOL. Half a cup of this. If you use this refresh 5 liter bottles, you're gonna get this solution for half only. Yeah, because the 10 liter you can use 4 of this in the day. So today or tomorrow, I'm not gonna make that, but I already made it. This one is like been 3 days, 4 days. Solution from seaweed. I'm going to put that in there, so give strength to the plant. And this, I'm going to put this baby outside again. Although they're windy, I'll just leave it here. So the bright light and the nice sunshine and wind, you even got a nice bright light. See, that's the thing for you, especially warm and nice windy like this. Really, it's pretty good to put the seeds, especially the season with it. One is not coming up, but the blueberry Silverbeet. Instead, I get this just green color or white. They're really good, and I think they're heirloom seeds. Maybe come back and come back again over and over. If I'm not mistaken, guys, if you grow the Silverbeet here in Australia, anywhere in the world, I think they are keep growing. It just remove from leaves to leaves. Same thing with the bok choy. I did that in the winter. And they just growing and crazy. I got still there, but the rest, like dozen of them, I cut it when they grow big and nice, like double size of my head. I cut it via roots and even pull it. I didn't know you can grow it through the leaves, removing the leaves one by one. The same thing with this lettuces and this Silverbeet. So I learned my way to, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's the update today. For 3 days that I've been planting here, these seeds of Silverbeet from this egg tray with a nice soil for seedlings. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the show, guys. I will update you again in the future which one I decide to put this either in the ground vertically or in the styrofoam in the other container. I'll see, because I'm not gonna plan, because sometimes it's not going to happen. So I just thinking it straight ahead when the things that needed to transfer, and then I'm just gonna go pick this side